So one of the biggest misconceptions in email design is that alt text is just that little box that you fill out because accessibility. But in reality, alt text is one of the simplest, most powerful ways to make your emails actually work for more people, including folks who never see your images. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how alt text works and how to quickly apply it across images, buttons, stickers, and even Gifs, all inside Beefree. Okay, so as a refresher, alt text is what screen readers use to describe images to people who can't see them, or the text displayed when images don't load. Let's show you how to add alt text to your email designs in Beefree. We can start at the top here with the hero image. That's this yellow lounge chair. Now, if we click on the image block containing that hero image, the right sidebar opens up, where we can scroll to where it says alternative text. We can add something short here. Let's go with yellow lounge chair with ottoman. Okay, great. Or we can click on the wand icon if we're not feeling creative enough and let Beefree's AI assistant generate that alt text for you. You can then refine the results to your liking. Now, the AI assistant is available on certain premium plans, so you'll need to check out beefree.io to learn more. Now, let's say you're moving really fast, or you're working with an image-heavy design, and you're worried you might miss some alt text. Well, Beefree's got your back. You can bulk generate alt text for every image in your email. Let me show you how. Just click on any image here. Then we can hit the wand icon again under the alt text field and select generate alt text in bulk. And as you can see, Beefree's AI assistant has scanned each one of our images and automatically added the alt text for us. Pretty awesome. This immediately gives users with screen readers a meaningful replacement for your main visual. Okay, so next let's talk about how to handle alt text inside every type of visual element. So the layout that we've been using has multiple product shots, perfect for practicing how to manually input alt text for different types of visual elements. First, let's add alt text to the logo in the top left corner. We can click the logo here and enter the business name along with the word logo. For example, we can say Marks Furniture Inc. logo. Okay, great. And next we can scroll to the featured section and let's click into each image here and add a short alt text description. So for the first one, let's write brown breakfast chair, and then click on the next image here and we'll write gray quilted accent chair. And then finally, the orange chair here, we can say in the alt text field, orange molded shell chair. Okay, cool. So make sure to repeat this step for the other visuals further down the email. But if we scroll here to the bottom of the page, we can't forget the logo again. So let's add in the same text we did previously. Okay, now for the social icons. So each needs alt text describing what they are, not just what they look like. So when we click into this icon set here, we'll need to click more options for each to see the alt text field. So let's do that for all of these icons. And now we can add the alt text and write something like for Facebook, follow us on Facebook. And then for Twitter or X, stay updated on Twitter. For LinkedIn, we can go connect with us on LinkedIn. And then finally, Instagram, we can say follow us on Instagram. Okay, great. Now, the same rule also applies to GIFs and stickers. So when you drop a GIF or sticker block onto the canvas, like so, you'll see that the alt text field automatically appears, even before you add the content. By adding thoughtful alt text and treating every visual as readable content, you're making sure that your message reaches everyone, even people using screen readers or those who have images turned off. Now, accessible emails aren't just kinder. They get read, users stay engaged, they click more, and your deliverability improves. So in short, when you design for inclusivity, your email doesn't just look good. It performs better for everyone. Thanks for watching.